Alright, hello everyone, Amaya here, and welcome back to the Traveler YouTube channel. Today, we're doing something a little different, something a bit closer to home, but trust me, it's a hidden gem, and I think you're going to love it. We're at Water World in Kalaniya, just outside Colombo, Sri Lanka, and we're about to embark on the river safari experience. Now, I know what you're thinking, a river safari? In a water park? Yeah, I had the same thought, but honestly, it's surprisingly tranquil. We're hopping onto this slow-moving boat. It's a simple, flat-bottomed affair, nothing fancy, and it's going to take us on a roughly 15-minute journey along this artificially created river track that winds its way through the park. Think less Amazonian adventure, more serene, curated wildlife encounter. And look, right from the start, you can see the effort that's gone into this. The banks are lined with lush, tropical foliage, a mix of palms, flowering bushes, and these incredible, almost prehistoric-looking ferns. It's a bit like a mini jungle, and the water, while not crystal clear, has this lovely, almost tea-stained quality, which actually adds to the natural feel. We're gliding along, just a gentle hum from the electric motor, and the first thing you notice is the bird life. There are these elegant egrets, standing motionless, like statues, waiting for their next meal. And look, over there, a kingfisher, darting across the water, a flash of vibrant blue. You know, these guys are notoriously shy, so to see them this close is pretty special. You can really get a sense of the biodiversity here, even in this man-made environment. And then, as we round a bend, we come across a group of water monitors. These are big lizards, I mean, seriously big, some of them over a meter long, basking on the rocks. They look like mini dinosaurs, honestly. They are completely unfazed by the boat, just soaking up the sun, occasionally flicking their tongues. It's a bit of a surreal experience, seeing these ancient creatures so close. And the way the light filters through the trees, it creates this dappled effect, almost like a painting. It's really quite beautiful. The whole atmosphere is so calm, so relaxing. You can really feel yourself unwinding. Now, I know, it's not the wild. It's not a true wilderness experience, but there's something to be said for the accessibility of it. You can see these animals, experience this slice of nature, without having to trek through dense jungle or endure hours of bumpy travel. It's perfect for families, for anyone who wants a taste of the tropics without the hardcore adventure. And as we continue our journey, we pass by these carefully constructed habitats. You can see they've tried to replicate the natural environment as much as possible, with rocky outcrops, fallen logs, and dense vegetation. It's not perfect, of course. You can see the concrete edges of the river track, but the overall effect is surprisingly convincing. And look, there's a couple of peacock playing in the trees. They are so agile, leaping from branch to branch, their little faces full of mischief. It's fascinating to watch them interact, to see their social dynamics. And the sounds, that's another thing that really adds to the experience. The gentle lapping of the water, the rustling of the leaves, the calls of the birds, it all creates this immersive soundscape. And there it is, lurking in the shallows, its eyes just above the waterline. It's a big one, maybe 3 meters long, and it looks prehistoric, like something out of a Jurassic Park movie. It's completely still, just watching us, its eyes following our every move. It's a bit unnerving, but also incredibly captivating. You can feel the power radiating off it, the raw, primal energy. And as we approach the end of our journey, I can't help but feel a sense of peace. The slow pace of the boat, the gentle sounds of nature, the close encounters with wildlife, it's all been incredibly relaxing. It's a reminder that even in a busy, modern world, there are still places where you can connect with nature, where you can slow down and appreciate the simple beauty of the world around us. And you know what? I think that's something we all need, a little escape, a little moment of tranquility. So, if you're ever in Sri Lanka and you're looking for a unique and relaxing experience, I highly recommend the river safari at Water World Kalaniya. It's not your typical safari, but it's definitely worth a visit. It's a reminder that even in the most unexpected places, you can find a little bit of magic. And that's it for today's adventure. Thank you so much for joining me on the Traveler YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel adventures, and I'll see you in the next video. And remember, even in a water park, you can find a little bit of wild. This place, Water World Kalaniya, it really surprised me. I came in thinking it would be a bit of a gimmick, a tourist trap, but it's genuinely well done. The plants, the animals, the whole atmosphere, it's really relaxing. You know, you can really tell they put a lot of effort into this. The way they've landscaped the riverbanks, the carefully chosen plants, the placement of the rocks, it all contributes to this feeling of being in a natural environment. Even the water, it's not crystal clear, but it has this natural, earthy tone that makes it feel authentic. And the animals, they're not just dumped here, they seem to be thriving. It's a testament to the care and attention that's been put into this place. You know, sometimes, in tourist attractions, you can feel like you're being herded through a pre-packaged experience. But here, it feels more genuine, more organic. You can take your time, observe the animals, soak in the atmosphere. There's no rush, no pressure. It's just you, the boat, and the natural world. And that, I think, is what makes it so special. It's a chance to escape, to disconnect from the digital world, and reconnect with something real. And you know what else I noticed? The lack of crowds. It's not packed with tourists, which is a rare thing these days. You can really enjoy the experience without feeling overwhelmed. And the staff, they're not pushy or intrusive. They're just there, quietly ensuring everything runs smoothly. It's a refreshing change from the usual tourist experience. And the 15-minute ride, it's perfect. It's long enough to feel like you've had a proper experience, but not so long that you get bored. It's just the right amount of time to relax, unwind, and appreciate the beauty of the surroundings. And the price? It's incredibly reasonable. You get a lot of value for your money. It's a great option for families, for couples, for anyone who wants a relaxing and affordable experience. So, if you're looking for something different, something a little off the beaten path, I highly recommend the river safari at Water World Kalaniya. It's a hidden gem, a little slice of paradise. and a reminder that even in the most unexpected places, you can find a little bit of magic. And that's it for today's adventure. Thank you so much for joining me on the Traveler YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel adventures, and I'll see you in the next video. And hey, if you do decide to visit, let me know what you think in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your experience. And remember, keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep traveling. Because the world is full of amazing surprises, just waiting to be discovered.